Hey, I'm Sarah, and I was just sent this indoor cycling bike. I love to go spinning, so this is a great low impact exercise. This is completely adjustable, so it's really nice. It's got a real nice cushioned seat right here, really wide for your hips, and then it has a little ventilation hole right here, which is also great. You have an area back here to hold some extra weights, or if you have different shoes that you want to use, you can also clip those in right here. Now this moves up and down just by moving this right here. On the side over here, you do have a bunch of numbers that tells you, hey, you want to have it set at whatever. That way you can know how high you want it. So that is all adjustable. You move this one, your seat goes in and out. The whole thing's adjustable here, as well as your actual handles can go up and down just by moving this lever. Now this is your resistance knob, so you can lower the resistance or bring it back up. You have your cages for your actual shoes here, so that way you can actually tighten them up. Have them so wherever you are pushing and pulling, your feet won't fall out. And it all's on a magnetic rail. So this is a really nice thing. It has a 330-pound weight limit. You have this nice screen, but then they also have several apps that you can download. Doesn't cost anything to download them. They're just part of the bike. You can either use the MERACH app, or you actually have a Phantom Fit game app. So when you get into your bike, make sure you get it set up right. Then we are going to get started up here. Whenever you come up here, you can look at the screen right up here. You just see all of the information right on here. It'll show you your speed, your time, and then this will just rotate through your different modes. So it has your distance, how much resistance you have, and go through that way. You can also increase and change your things over here from your calories, your watts, your speeds, and then you can reset it all. So if you are finished with it completely, you can just do that. Now, if I wanted to change my resistance, we just turn this knob. If you did need to stop it, stop your wheel, you just press right down. So that is really neat. Now, when you are looking at the app, they have all sorts of different rides to be able to use through this. I mean, all the way up. And what's really nice is I don't hear this as I am working out. So that is awesome. I don't have any extra thing. If I've got a baby sleeping off to the side or anything like that, you can do everything through here. Your handlebars are nice and soft, so you can easily get up, ride your bike, do everything you need to do, all in this one bike. You got a nice water bottle holder here. So this is great because it is suitable for riders from 4'8" all the way to 6'4", and it does pair in with your Apple Health or Google Fit apps. If you ever did need to move it out of the way, you've got these nice wheels right on the front that'll easily let you lift up the back, rotate it wherever you're needing to have it. Great piece of equipment for all ages.